Hey, what's up YouTube? Willington here, and welcome to another sound battle, where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the Boom 2 going up against the all-new Pulse 3. In the battle, the speakers will be playing at 60 and 100% volume. I'll be using a high-quality binaural microphone, so please use headphones for the best experience. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Yeah. Can I ball for a minute? Ride on. I got this, let it roll like a night storm. Forever winning, don't you ever get in my way. Cause otherwise I'ma rise up in your face. Teamwork, head first, with my feet in the dirt. Extreme thirst, feel the surge of adrenaline burst. My knees hurt, please nurse, let the medicine work. So I can get a damn be professionally superb. I won't stop till I'm certified. Won't stop till I'm first to rise. I'm on top, getting first prize. Gold medal, get 'em running ahead of you each time. Can I ball for a minute? Let's go. I got this, let it burn like some petrol. I'm getting W, so don't you ever doubt this. Cause otherwise I put my money where your mouth is. You heard right that the earth is mine. Burn bright, let the ember shine. You know I'm gonna get it every time. Champion, wearing the crown. I can see my name in lights. Spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I can see my name in lights. Fall till I fall and I'm feeling alright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right.
I like it when your body's in motion, how you move when no one's there, your hands running through the ocean of your hair. I like it when the rain is falling, cause then we gotta stay inside. You know whichever friend is calling, you're all mine. Let him call you lazy, let me drive you crazy. We're all alone, nowhere to go. Let's stay in bed. The world can take a paycheck. The world can take a paycheck.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
So the Boom 2 seems to be a little bit louder than the Pulse 3, but if it is at all, it's not by much. I feel like the main reason it feels a little bit louder is because it has somewhat better and sharper highs than the Pulse 3. The vocals are still better on the Boom 2 for clear and crispy lyrics, but as far as bass, that's the weak point of the Boom 2 and actually the shining point of the Pulse 3 here. The Pulse 3 sounds full and rich because it goes lower on the frequency curve with deeper bass, while the Boom 2 is lacking low bass. Like I've said before, if you mainly listen to podcasts like my wife, or bass is not your concern with the kind of music you listen to, the Boom 2 would be a better choice here. But if you have love for bass and listen to bass heavy music, the Pulse 3 would be your best choice here. I personally prefer the Pulse 3, but that's just me and sound is so subjective. I would like to hear what you have to say about this too in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I love you all and I will see you in the next one. Peace.